Currently, we are at the Togo-Ghana border. The Ghana side of the border is still open, but that of Togo, as you can see behind my back, is closed. We understand they are voting today, so they are not, people are not allowed to cross the border to Togo. You can cross the Ghana one, but you will not be able to cross to Togo. And when you get there, they ask you to go back until 10 p.m. Even students who were allowed to cross in the morning have been asked to go back to Ghana until 10 p.m. to get back.
My name is Judy Tanyato. I come from Lome, and our teacher asked us to come and sweep today, but Togo people have to vote. But Togo and Ghana, they are not one. Togo is different from
So they have closed the border?
Yes.
But they allow you to come?
Yes, because I am a student.
So according to residents, this is also affecting businesses because most of the people who do their businesses around here are complaining of low patronage for today, and they are hoping that by evening something is done about the situation.
I'm not you today. I to the Lemmy Gana to go Masana, American Magay Muta. No fear Kumeta. I the challenge. Let me the chat to feel by Rufiagua. You got Ronaga in the way.
The business are affected.
Oh, let me run a American Gadran.
They are saying that they should go back for 10 o'clock night for bus party. I can't stay here for 10 o'clock because my mother will vote for me. I don't have any father or brother here that I can stay with.
So where are you going? Came by me by the Mateo Catanto. I go for them, but I mean, save no two days. They're practicing, they're break bay, la même la son, they're break bay, the mother. If you are in college, autrement, il y a d'autres DJ, so pas, il y a travail.
Travelers are also being turned away from the border, especially the Togo one, because of the voting process. The vote process, they are not allowed to go inside. They can only allow to cross to the Ghana side, and that ends it. They are hoping that by evening or by the close of today to tomorrow, businesses will start booming again. Things will be better. We are not allowed to speak with the officials of Togo. Neither are we allowed to speak with some people around because of security reasons. We are following this issue, Kenny, and we will get back with more details. My name is Ivy Sotoji, Joy News, Aflao.